Welcome to ProfitMailrr. These are the training videos. We're going to start with an overview of the whole interface and what the program does at the most basic level. So you're going to, once you log in, you're going to come to the dashboard here where you can manage your contacts, you can manage your campaigns, your modules and APIs, track all your progress, all your charts will be here with all your data, your contacts, your unsubs, your forwards, confirmed contacts, bounces, all that information, your recently edited campaigns that have been scheduled, sent, or archived. You'll be able to access your campaigns up here as well, your users, user groups, global settings, log out. Let's hop over to the main navigation. The dashboard we're at right now, contact lists. You have view contact list, create a contact list, view custom fields, process bounced emails, and view segments. Under the contacts themselves, you can view all contacts, search the contacts, add a contact, import contacts from a file, export contacts to a file, remove contacts, email suppression lists, suppress an email or domain. Email campaigns. You can view the ones that you have. You can create a new one. You can send one you've already created. Manage the images that you have uploaded to the server. You can view split tests that have been done. You can manage your dynamic content tags and view your scheduled email queue. Under autoresponders, you can view the autoresponders you have. You can create a new one. You can view the triggers that cause those autoresponders to kick in. There's an extensive statistic area. Email campaigns, split tests, autoresponders, trigger statistics, contact lists, and user account statistics. Then we move into our templates. There are dozens of templates that come with this. You can view the built-in email templates here. You can create a custom template. You can create, you can look at the custom email templates that you have created. And then the website forms. You can view the forms that you have created, or you can create a new one. And then at the bottom there, we have our support link. All right, so that is the main interface, the overview of ProfitMailrr. We'll get into more detail in the next video.